Hi guys, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Today we're going to be learning how to do single crochet into the third loop. So let's get started. As you can see, I've started doing a chain. Do the chain as your pattern requires. So normally when we do a single crochet, we do it on the back loop of the chain. But instead, for the third loop, we're going to turn it around, and on the back side there's other stitches too. So that's what we call the third loop. We're going to skip the first stitch as normal like we usually do, and then we're going to go to the second loop and do a single crochet. We are going to do this until we get to the very end. And that's crochet into the third loop. As you can see, you get a really nice clean edge here. I really like using this technique. See if you can use it for your next project as well. If you like this tutorial, please like and share and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.